Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us solve this problem. See, you have seen already in the thumbnail, the answer is not 6. Whenever you see the question, you do like this. Okay, see, 60 divided by 2 into 2 plus 3, you write it as 5. And what you do next step is you multiply this, that is 2 5s are 10, and again you do the division. Okay, which is the answer is 6. No, this is the wrong answer. It's not like this. Firstly, what you should do is 60, yes, whatever is given in the bracket you have to multiply first, multiply or add. Okay, here in the question they have given the addition. 2 plus 3 is how much? It is 5. Now next step what you should do is, firstly 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. Now it is into. Okay, there is no sign here, you have to assume it as into, and you should not do the multiplication of these two numbers. Okay, according to the BODMAS rule, BODMAS. So according to the BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? So first will come the division. You should not do multiplication. If you multiply this two, it will become wrong. Okay, so first we will do the division of these two terms, that is 60 divided by 2 into this 5 I will write. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 3s are is 6, and this 0 I will take up. Now multiply this 2. 30 into 5. 3 5s are is 15, and this 0 I will write down. So this is the answer. I hope you are clear with this. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.